Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia. My name is Antonia, and in today's video I am going to be sharing a new product with you guys. Well, it's new to me, and it is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Smoothie. So if you're interested in how this product works, then just keep watching. But first, if you're new here, go ahead, hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back for another video. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright guys, so you pretty much know the drill. I'm starting out on freshly washed hair. I will leave all of the products in the description box below, so be sure to check that out for more details. But I have my hair sectioned off into two sections. That's just gonna help me work all the product through my hair and distribute it evenly. I'm first going to go in with a leave-in conditioner, and I'm still using the Maui moisture line. I love this for a leave-in conditioner. This is a hair mask, but you can use it as a leave-in conditioner as well. And this is the Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Hair Mask for dry, damaged hair. I've used this before in one of my previous videos, so I'll try to link that down below for you or put it on the info card above. And then I'm going to be using the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Smoothie. And I'm going to top it off with a hair gel, and this is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Conditioning Shine Gel. So as you can see, this isn't a new product. I've been using this. I have about this much left, and I'm going to try to finish it up today. I just want to see how it's going to work along with the smoothie. So we're going to test that out. But if the gel doesn't work for me, I do have Old Faithful right here, which is the Wet Line Xtreme. This gel has never failed me, and so I will be reaching for that if need be. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm going to take my first section down, and I'm going to probably spray a little bit more water in my hair. So I do have my water bottle here. I'm going to section this off into two additional sections. And I'm going to twist this up out of the way. If you've seen my previous hair videos, you know I always do the same thing. And I'm going to make sure I get some more water in here. Let me tell you, water is moisture. And in curly hair, it is a must. Also for a wash and go, this is going to give you the most definition in your curls. So keep a water bottle handy. All my curly girls, keep a water bottle handy. So now I'm just going to go in with the conditioner. Okay, so now it is time for the star of the show, which is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Smoothie by Shea Moisture. This is my first time using this. I purchased this, I think I showed this in my curly hair products video. I recorded that a while back, so I'll try to link that video here. And yeah, so I'm gonna try this now. And it smells like, if you've tried any of the other Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil products from that line, they all have the same smell, and it smells like Play-Doh. You may have seen other people refer to it as having that smell also. Ooh. Ooh. Oh wow, so this is very thick. It's very thick. It's not like a milky consistency or anything. It's very creamy, but it's very thick, which is probably a good thing because my hair does like thicker products. All right, so here we go. So I'm gonna start out with just this much. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna need. I'm sure I'll go back in for more because I am heavy-handed on products. I'm already going in for more. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some gel to this section just to see how it does. And I mentioned I'm gonna be using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Condition and Shine Gel. So fingers crossed, say a prayer that this works because I want this wash and go to be bomb. So it's a lot of work doing this, and I want it to last. You know what? I'm not even. Hold on. I'm gonna go ahead, dip in the Old Faithful, because this gel is not. This gel is not gonna give me the hold that I want, and I know that now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dip into this. Hey guys, I'm back, and my camera cut off, so I didn't get to finish showing you me applying the product to my hair. But what I will say is that I am thoroughly impressed with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Smoothie. I am just I'm feeling like this is going to be a really good wash and go, so I'm really excited about that. But I told you how thick the product is, and really I didn't even have to use that much, and I'm pretty heavy-handed with products, so this is going to last me for a pretty good while, and I'm excited about that. So right now I am just air drying my hair, and I would say right now it's probably about 75% dry. It's still pretty damp in the back and in the roots, which is always the last part to dry. What I'm gonna do is let this finish air drying, and then I'll pop back on later tonight when it's fully dry. If not, I'll have some pictures at the end of this video showing the final result. And I want to thank you for watching. Let me know if you have tried this product from Shea Moisture, or if you intend on trying it after watching this video. I highly recommend it for my hair is a bit thick, so I need all the moisture. My hair drinks up all the moisture, so I need all the moisture, and this did it for me. So I'm excited about that. I hope you give it a try. Leave me a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you return for more videos like this. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.